Well, hello everyone. So I'm up in Brisbane again, and I'm sorry I've been a bit off the radar. We've had a bit going on, and the biggest news is that Madeline had her baby. She had a gorgeous baby boy, so I've been down there on cuddle duty. But I've been up here for a couple of days and I'm feeling really feral. My hair needs a wash. I just feel revolting. But I'm not going to let that get in the way of sharing the good news. So I just thought I'd give you a bit of a run through of where we're at. And I am making a run for the spring market with this, so I want to get it on the market. So this is the living room. So it's all painted. I'm not that thrilled with how the floors have come up, but we're going to live with them. One of the things that I want to fix is those light fittings. I don't know what it is with electricians and hanging light fittings so high, because they kept saying, people will hit their head on them. And I said, well, people don't hit their head on the doors, so you can at least make them door height. So anyhow, they're coming back to do that. Now so there we go. And now we're into the kitchen. So the benches have still got cardboard on them, but that's pretty well done. But once again, I've got a light fitting that's got to be dropped, a lot, because it looks ridiculous. So just coming into here, and you can see that everything's in. Love that little area under the sink. And I'll just go around, and so you'll remember we put this wall in to separate off the bedrooms from the kitchen, because the kitchen had 5 doorways into it. Not a great recipe. So that's bedroom 1. So pretty much, other than touch-ups on the skirtings, this is the bathroom, and I was waiting on the vanity, the top to the vanity. Oh, where are we going? So, bath's been resurfaced, so just need the shower screen up. Love those tiles, and the vanity and bits and pieces in. Another bedroom. And down to the master. Oh, someone at the door. Gotta go.